So I think yung ating correction right now will encounter a pause. No? So magpo-pause yung market because we have hit the oversold criteria. So the market is now oversold, meaning people are so heavily selling it that if you take a look at the lowest chart that we have, yung ating RSI, Relative Strength Index, makikita nyo na talagang tumama na siya dun sa 20 and uh, recovered quite a bit to 30, which still is the first level of oversold. So nangyayari dyan, pag nag-oversold yung market, when it becomes oversold, then the selling stops. Now, I get this from a lot of people, especially when they're asking when to buy. No, is this the time to buy? Yan ang laging tanong. And I always tell them, no, probably not, because that is where the selling only takes a pause. Hindi siya nagre-reverse kaagad. So if it stops, then it doesn't really go up that significantly kaagad, no? Because markets do take time to recover, especially if the stock or this particular index in the market has gone below the 200 exponential moving average or the 200 EMA, which I think is a very strong trend indicator. And then sadly, nakita natin yung MACD indicator ng market na it qualifies na gentlemen into the two criteria that I'm quite afraid of, with the MACD being below zero. Nakita na, it's below the center line where we find all of the volumes, and then nakabuka pa siya. So I don't think the momentum will go away that easily. But ito na yung ating panahon kung saan naghahanap na tayo ng signs of reversal. So yun, in past episode, we've talked about yung breaching the 50, the 100, and 200. Unfortunately, in a span of a few days, from the market being in retracement mode, bigla siyang ngayong nag-reversal mode, meaning we have to wait for those signs before we can see. So lastly, before I turn you over to the thoughts of Mr. Moses and my our colleagues here that are in the same market over the weekend, is that what do we want to see in the index to be confident that it can recover already? So in my experience, normally the market will need to establish a very strong base, meaning the market should be able to bounce back of a new support level and then stop at a new resistance. Then the more opportunities that the market tests that support, bounce back from support, and hold the resistance, then the stronger that foundation is. And without these foundations, there is no basis or there's no floor for the market to stand on. So unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen who are watching this, it's not gonna reverse just like that. It has to take some time. It has to take a bit. But ang swerte lang sa atin, I think, in the next couple of weeks is that masyadong malayo na yung tinakbo ng market from the 50, 100, 200. So just the same, on the way up, meron ding rubber band yan that pulls the market back to its exponential moving averages.